Well, I've been an engineer for 30 years now, and it's been an ambition of mine to open my own business. So I decided 4 years ago to give it a go and see if we can make a go of it. At the beginning, I thought we could just get away with myself and maybe one more person, but the way it's going forward and the way the customers are developing with myself and with the company, I believe that the growth is important to us because we can develop staff. We're hoping to develop staff. We're hoping to get eventually an apprentice, which to me is the ultimate goal, to have an apprentice where I can teach him my skills that I've developed over 30 years in the business. It's so cutthroat in this business. There's a lot of large manufacturing companies, and to beat those, I've got to be really competitive and really strive towards a customer requirements. I went on the council's website, Oldham Council's website, and the Growth Hub was part of the advertisement on there. So we went on there and it's shown us all the information about the Business Growth Hub. So I decided to contact a chap called Graham McKendrick of the Business Growth Hub there, and he's pointed me forward for anything that he could really help me with. The Business Growth Hub has been absolutely amazing. They've given us access to finance, they've given us support with a mentor, and they've also shown us the way to go forward really, to develop the company as I want to develop it, and they've been so supportive, it's unbelievable. What I was finding was the customers required a larger capacity within their industry, and I only had a small lathe. So through the Business Growth Hub, they gave us advice on where to apply for the help to move the business forward. And we've been in touch with the MAS and obviously the OBLG. We've been in front of a panel and we've been successful in our applications. We've had so much support and they've guided us through it. They've helped us fill the forms in. They've helped us develop a business plan, which we never had in the past. And we're flying. We really are flying with the Business Growth Hub. We got a loan through the OBLG, which was the £10,000 towards the machine, and to actually fit the machine in for transport and everything else. And we got the development fund with the MAS, which gave us 50% of the machine, which obviously to get such a thing like that, a grant, where we don't have to pay back, it helps us move forward. It really does help us move forward. And now we've got the bigger lathe, we can be more competitive and we can hopefully get more staff, develop the output and obviously the income. My advisor, Nicola Warwick, has been absolutely amazing. She's been on the phone, she's been so many site visits with us, she's helped us develop all the forms, she's introduced us to a mentor, she's introduced us to the finance people. She's been absolutely amazing. We was introduced to the mentor, and he was an ex-businessman himself, and he had a manufacturing process all his life. And what he's done for us is give us some ideas on developing the strategy to employ the right person, to get the right person in place, approaching the colleges for the right apprentice, approaching people within the business that maybe know somebody who need the job or want a job and had got as much passion as myself within the engineering industry. We was invited to go to the Young Engineer of Oldham with the primary, it's called the Primary Engineer, with the primary schools involved in Oldham, and it was a fantastic event, and we was involved with all the young children. I was a judge, judging their little cars that they'd manufactured, made, designed, and it was absolutely, to see such an event, to be involved in the children developing the skills that will be the future engineers, was absolutely amazing. As a result of the support we've had from the Growth Hub, the future is now bright. We're looking forward to moving forward, developing new customers, developing the skills, obviously through an apprentice, hopefully taking on more staff, more skilled engineers, and going through the future with flying colours. We really are looking forward to the future.